Ever wondered why Hermes bags are so exclusive and hard to get? This French luxury goods manufacturer is a beacon of desire for fashion enthusiasts worldwide. The Hermes bags are so coveted that demand far exceeds supply. To manage this, Hermes introduced the quota bag system, which controls who can own these bags. This unique strategy makes Hermes bags all the more exclusive. Stick around to unravel the mystery behind the Hermes quota bag system. And don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing insights into the world of high-end fashion and handbag content. The Hermes quota bag system didn't just pop up overnight. The seed for this was planted with the brand's signature Birkin and Kelly bags. Named after iconic figures, Jane Birkin and Grace Kelly, these bags represent the pinnacle of luxury. Their craftsmanship, rarity, and price tags quickly catapulted them to fame. The increasing demand for these bags posed a challenge to Hermes. The brand's commitment to exclusivity and quality meant mass production was not an option. They needed to strike a balance between satisfying demand, compromising exclusivity. The solution? A quota system. This ingenious idea proposed limiting the number of bags a customer could purchase in a certain period. This allowed Hermes to maintain the prestige of the Birkin and Kelly, while also making them available to more customers. The system was introduced subtly, and customers were only aware of it when they tried to purchase more than one bag in a given period. The quota wasn't fixed but fluctuated based on purchase history and bag availability. This balance act was carried out masterfully by Hermes, creating an equilibrium between supply and demand, between exclusivity and accessibility. The quota system revolutionized not Hermes, but the luxury goods industry as a whole. It showcased a new approach to manage demand, aligning with the brand's ethos and respecting customer desires. And thus, the Hermes quota bag system was born. This system, born from the need to retain exclusivity while ensuring accessibility, has become a crucial part of the Hermes brand. So, how does this elusive system work? Let's explore the workings of the Hermes quota system. Contrary to popular belief, owning a Birkin or Kelly bag is not just about having enough money. The quota system ensures the exclusivity of these bags, limiting the quantity a client can buy every year. Surprised? Yes, even with a bulging wallet, you can't acquire a Birkin or Kelly bag on a whim. The system stipulates a 2 quota bags per year limit. It implies that a customer can only purchase 2 Birkin, Kelly, or Constance bags annually. However, the selection isn't unrestricted. One must be a non-exotic leather bag. But the real catch is, there are eligibility criteria. To qualify, you must have a previous purchase history with Hermes. It doesn't have to be extravagant, but diversity in your purchase history is appreciated. The system also leans towards local clients, meaning if your residence is in the same city as the store, you might have a higher chance of bagging a quota bag. Last but not least, establishing good relations with the sales staff also aids your cause. Regular patrons with a good rapport get preference. So, there you have it. The Hermes quota system is a carefully orchestrated ballet of supply, demand, and customer loyalty. It's not just about having the money, it's about playing by the rules. As with anything exclusive, the quota system has its critics. The quota system in the luxury industry, particularly at Hermes, is met with varied reactions. Some praise it as a successful business model, while others accuse it of elitism, creating a divide between the affluent and the less privileged. The system acts as a gatekeeper, controlling who gets to own a coveted Hermes bag and who doesn't. As a personal anecdote, I own a quota bag, and Hermes Kelly. However, I got it pre-loved from a reputable pre-loved reseller as I chose not to engage in the quota play, despite wanting the bag. The system not only about the money, it acts as a barrier to access. Even if one can afford a Hermes bag, the system might still keep you on hold, sometimes for years. This has led to a backlash from customers who feel unfairly prevented from buying the products they want. Some critics argue that this system encourages a black market for Hermes bags. With demand far exceeding supply, some are driven to buy from unauthorized sellers, often at inflated prices. The system also raises doubts about the sustainability of such a model. Is it genuinely feasible to maintain such high exclusivity levels in the long run? Will it lead to a decrease in brand loyalty among disgruntled consumers? Hermes has defended their system, saying it upholds the brand's exclusivity and ensures product quality. But these arguments don't convince everyone. Many feel neglected and annoyed by the system. The quota system, therefore, is a double-edged sword. While it maintains the allure of the Hermes brand, it also alienates a considerable number of potential customers. It seems the quota system is as divisive as it is exclusive. But what do the actual consumers think about the system, you may be asking? We will explore the array of responses from various luxury bag lovers. On one hand, we find the devoted Hermes fans who see the quota system as an exciting quest. They adore the exclusivity and the thrill of pursuit. For them, the journey to procure a beloved Birkin or Kelly enhances the luxury experience. They value how the quota system preserves the brand's prestige and exclusivity, maintaining these bags as top-tier status symbols. One New York owner expressed, "It's like a treasure hunt. I love the anticipation, and when I finally secure a bag, it feels like an accomplishment." However, not all luxury purchasers are charmed by this system. A number of consumers find the quota system vexing and discouraging. They contend that it transforms a straightforward transaction into a complex, unpredictable affair. A London fashion enthusiast complained, "I just want to purchase a bag, not play a game. I have the finances. Why can't I simply purchase what I desire?" The quota system's effect on customer loyalty and brand image is varied. It has cultivated a sense of community among Hermes enthusiasts who connect over shared experiences. Conversely, it has also been a source of dispute, with some patrons feeling excluded and preferring other luxury brands with simpler buying processes. In sum, the reactions to Hermes's quota bag system are as varied as the Birkins and Kellys themselves. It's a game for some, an annoyance for others. One thing's for certain, Hermes has managed to maintain its allure and exclusivity in a world overflowing with luxury goods, and that in itself is quite an achievement. The Hermes quota bag system is ever evolving. Recently, Hermes remodeled its system, favoring loyalty over exclusivity. Rumors suggest a possible online platform, reaching a broader audience. Yet, official confirmation is absent. Furthermore, the exploding demand in China has urged Hermes to reconsider its regional quotas. The Hermes quota bag system continues to intrigue and baffle in equal measure. However, it's not all smooth sailing for Hermes. Recent news reveals an antitrust lawsuit against Hermes over Birkin bag sales. The lawsuit suggests Hermes is manipulating the secondary market, potentially violating antitrust laws. This spotlight on Hermes's business practices and the quota bag system could have serious implications, and not just for the quota bag system itself, but their reputation too. As this legal drama unfolds, the future of the Hermes quota bag system is uncertain. The case could potentially alter the landscape of the luxury goods market, and it's safe to say that all eyes will be on Hermes as the drama unfolds. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Hermes quota bag system, we've got plenty more to offer. Our channel focuses on luxury fashion insights and bag facts. We explore high-end fashion's captivating world and different luxury brands' strategies. Subscribe to our channel for exciting content about Chanel's marketing or Louis Vuitton's production. Hit the subscribe button for more luxury fashion revelations. It's a dramatic, high-stakes world out there in the land of luxury, and we're here to unpack it all for you.